As we kick off the new year, many of us are looking for ways to drop a few pounds and to start eating better. It's tough. But if we surround ourselves with a few ingredients that are good for us, also known as superfoods, our chance of success is that much greater. So to help you get off on the right foot, let me show you a few that we've stocked up on. If you don't have quinoa in your pantry, add it to your shopping list. It's a protein-packed grain that's also a good source of iron, vitamin E, and fiber. It sort of looks like couscous, yet it has a nuttier taste. And try getting into the habit of adding beans to your recipes, since they're packed with fiber and are high in antioxidants, protein, and all sorts of vitamins. And if they're canned, make sure to drain and rinse them, as it reduces the sodium by about 40%. As a matter of fact, I threw these superfoods, plus a few others like fresh pomegranate seeds, avocado, and shrimp, into a dish that's so good, you'll forget it's good for you. We call it Quinoa Shrimp Bowl. And to get the recipe, just check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a superfoods kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Delicious?